Hi, I'm Jay. I joined Dennis Eagle as a Business Intelligence Analyst 9 months ago. At Dennis Eagle, I work closely with my colleague to build a dashboard in Power BI, perform data analysis, and help business to identify opportunity for improvements. One great example we built for our parts department is the customer parts sales performance. By analyzing the sales trend, we will be able to clearly see what's in high demand, what's slowing down, or where we need to adjust the parts price. By doing this, we can have a deeper conversation with customers and understand their requirement better and help business to identify the sales opportunities. We have regular meetings with our customer. The impression from our customer about Power BI is very positive. We improved our efficiency to show data to our customer, and also customer can see more detail when we present this Power BI dashboard to them. The most enjoyed part of joining company has been people. Everyone is very friendly and supportive and knowledgeable. It is very motivating to be part of this team that everyone wants to do things better. So it is a really good environment to work in. I really enjoy my time at Dennis Eagle. The future of BI at Dennis Eagle is really exciting. I can't wait to see the impact on our business and also on our customer service.